Okay guys, welcome back. In this video, we will talk about Facebook target audience. By the end of this video, you will have your perfect target audience ready to go and ready to use on ads. And this is good because this will also help you on all your marketing efforts. So you need to know your market audience, and probably you already know, but today in this video, we are defining that inside Facebook. So here we are in the Ads Manager, the Facebook Ads Manager. If you are not here, you can go to facebook.com/ads/manager and you will find this specific screen. In here, we go at the top, in the top, click here on the menu and we have frequently used and we have audience is the second option here. Click on that. Excellent. So here we see all the audiences we have right now on the Facebook. Probably you don't have any audience ready, but we will create one right now. To create an audience, you go to here on the blue button, create audience, and we have three options. The one we are using today is the save audience, the last one. Let me show you the other one so you have an idea about what's the difference. If we click on custom audience, this is an audience that we are creating from people that already have a contact with you or your company. So if you have a customer file, for example, if you have a pixel, later in the course, we will install a pixel on your website, and that's one of the best ways to create an audience. So we will use this in the next videos. If you have an app, you can use the audience of people that are using your app. And the new one is the engagement on Facebook. You can create a list of people who have engaged with your content on Facebook. So basically people that already know you, this is custom audiences. Let's cancel this and go to the second option, which is lookalike audience. So here we can select people on your pages. You see when I click on source, Facebook opens for me all my pages, so I can select people from this page or from the other page that are in this specific location. And this is a way to create a lookalike audience. And the save audience, which is the one we are using today, and this is one of my favorite because it's very easy to do and it will help you to have a clear understanding about your audience. So here, audience name, you can enter any name. On this case, I'll enter online course audience. So these are people that are interested on online education, online courses, creating online courses, or taking online courses, okay? So if you need to enter a title here of the audience that you want, just remember to have a clear title so you remember later when you need to use it for ads. So custom audience, don't worry about this right now. Let's jump to the next option, which is locations. Again, here we can select people that are in a specific location. Here we have United States, for example. I can add other countries like Canada. Let's add United Kingdom. Let's add Australia. Excellent. And you can also add specific address. You can add cities, you can add zip code, you can be very specific here. So if you have like a local business, let's say you have a local business in Portland, Oregon, and you want to target only people around your business, you can enter your zip code here or maybe even your address. That's the best way to target because I am selling online products, and for me, doesn't matter. Actually, I can reach the more number of people that speak the language I want here in this country. So that's why I select several countries. Let's jump to, so make sure you know here and make sure you target the people that are in the right place, in the right location. Scroll down. Next option is the age. So my audience is from 25-year-old to 60 years old. So let's select that. And you can select the age of your target audience here. It's very important, guys, to take this area, this part very seriously because the success of your ads, the success of your Facebook ads later will depend in big part about the audience, about how target your audience is, okay? So select the age of your audience. You see here they said select the minimum and maximum age of the people who will find your ad relevant. Okay. Next, we have the gender. I can target all people, or I can target men or women as you want. So if you have like a women's store, if you have a men clothing store, you can select any of these specific genders. On this case, for me, for my example, will be all. Languages, I'll enter English all. And of course, you have other English here. So if you are targeting people in UK, for example, you will think that English all is enough, and is enough. But for some reason, for my testing, adding the other English categories here helps the ads to perform better. So I will be adding all the English option here on my specific case. I have English all, UK, and US. Okay, scroll down. Detailed targeting, and this is one of the most important things. In here, you will add specific interest of your audience, okay? So if you, in this case, if I am targeting people that are interested on online courses, I need to search here on this list. I can click on browse, or I can see the suggestion, or I can even type the keywords here. I will select people that are interested on online education, any kind of education, and maybe sites that sell online courses like Udemy, Skillshare, lynda.com, or anything like that, because that's my target audience. If you are, let's say we are creating an audience that likes the cooking, the chocolate cake, for example, that we always use as an example. In this case, we can target people that like cooking, people that like specific cooking pages on Facebook and have cooking interests, recipes, online videos of cooking, all that we need to find here as an interest. So in my case, I'll select education. Let's see here, education. Let's see if we have any online education, online shopping, online games, online buyers. Online buyers is good because I will end up selling then online products. Online shopping, let's see here, school, students. I'll target students. You see, if I click here, I will be adding more than 303 million people to my target audience. So also I'll add people that like Udemy. I have Udemy here. People that like Skillshare, which are specific websites that target online courses. People that like Khan Academy, also another. You see that Facebook is giving me suggestion right now. Lynda.com, 1 million people like Lynda.com. So I'll finish like this. The more you add here, the better. The more target your audience will be. So in this case, I add people that like to buy online. The behavior here is online buyers. So there are people, my ad will show to people that are used to buy online. Also will show to people that are interested in education, Khan Academy, Lynda.com, Skillshare, and Udemy. This is perfect for me. I also can exclude people here. You see, you have two options, and narrow audience. So if I click exclude people, I can exclude people depending on interest, on behaviors, on categories. Maybe if I don't want people that like Udemy, I can add Udemy here. So of course I need to remove it from here. So in this case, I'll be targeting people that are interested on these sites, but not on Udemy. So if they are interested on this site, but also Udemy, my ad won't show. Okay. So you have here the idea. I hope you are getting the idea, and you can start playing with these options. The more specific you are, the better. Let me remove Udemy here and add here to my target audience, because I like to target people that are interested on Udemy. Also, the last option is connections. So if we expand here, you have the option you have the Facebook page. So you can say people who like your Facebook page, friend of people who like your Facebook page, or exclude people who like your Facebook page. So if you have a Facebook page, let's say with a lot of fans, and you want to create a promotion, let's say you are doing a draw, or you are doing a Black Friday selling or something like that for people that are already on your audience and you want to reach them, you can say, okay, I want to target people that like my page, which is create online courses, which is the page we just created. So basically in here, that means that this ad will show only for people that like my page, and also people that live in these countries, people that speak English, and people that are interested on this. So if this, Facebook will show the ad only to the person, to the customer that fills all the requirements here. Okay, so let's remove this, and you can also exclude people. So in case you are growing your audience and you don't want to spend ads for people that already like your page, but you want to spend ads for people in order to convince them to join to your audience. So you can say exclude people who like my page. And I use this very often because most of the time I'm trying to grow my audience. So I can say, okay, send this ad all over these countries, but you don't need to exclude the people that like the Create Online Courses page. So if I click on Create Audience here, you see that now we have a new line here saying the audience name, Online Course Audience, is a safe audience. Remember the 3 types of audience we have here. This is a safe audience. The size is 98 million people. Of course, this is a lot of people. Probably I need to target a little bit more in order to reduce the size of the audience. This audience is ready. The day credit is not available because we just created, but you have the idea now. So you know how to create the audience, and I invite you right now to think about your target audience. Get a piece of paper and a pen and write down which country they are, where are they located, if they are in specific city, neighborhood, how old they are, the age of your audience, the interest of your audience, what do they like, what don't they like. If you have an option to exclude people from your audience, that will be great. So you have a super target audience that will see your ads on Facebook. I hope you like this. This is interesting. Again, this is one of the most important pieces to guarantee your success on Facebook marketing and especially on Facebook ads. See you in the next video.